everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I need some help. So we are down trying to get this lot cleared because when the lot homes leave, I get to redesign the whole lot, and I'm super stoked about that. A couple things I want to go over today. I do have a new website, www.mobilehomemama.net, and you can go to that website and leave me your name and phone number and a little bit of information, and I will personally give you a call and see how I can help build your dream home. And I happened to actually meet one of my newest customers. Caesar sent me an inquiry. Caesar and Rosa, shout out to you guys. Rosie, shout out to you guys. Also, Aaron and Russell, they gave me a call too. So you guys are calling, you're watching my videos, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. So as we turn around and get deeper into this video, I want you to see we got a full house here. We're rearing up, ready for our Thanksgiving break, which we only shut down for a couple days during Thanksgiving. But usually we have this whole lot is cleared. We're seeing some unprecedented orders this year. Usually we take a break and slow down during November and December, but that's not the case. Very, very important announcement here. I am taking orders for March of 2025. So if building a new home is in your forecast for next year, you want to call me and get this started, because I promise you it won't be a month and we'll be already into early summer. So get your orders in, let's talk about it. And here's this baby, my final last show home that's a double wide, available now for $134,000. This is a 28 by 44. It was called the Lake Terrace when I built it. We have since redesigned it as a home called the Muskegon, but this was a great floor plan. We sold lots of them and it was very popular. It was our most popular 2 years ago. So on the outside, we've added a 16-foot dormer over the door. So if you are considering having a home with a porch, this would already be ready for you to build out from that dormer. And also white shutters are here, a Craftsman door. The stairs we're keeping, and typically the stairs are part of the installation of the home, and we'll go over that in just a few minutes about what it takes to install a home. So coming up into the home, let's go inside and check it out. This floor plan could have been a 3-bedroom. I decided when I built it to build it in a 2-bedroom, because when you do that, you have a massive living room. I want to say this is 28 foot. I may be off a few feet, but I think to me it looks like a 28 foot. So you're coming into a wide open floor plan. Let's do a pan. By the way, we can negotiate the furniture also. I don't want to move it from house to house, so we would sell the furniture with the house also. Upgraded carpet on the floor. Thunder on the linoleum part. And what do you see first? What do you notice first? For me, it's this drywall. Drywalled walls. While I'm standing right here, we've got a white profile trim wrapped around the windows and the door. And let me just go out here and get another view of this living room. It's huge. This is where the 3rd bedroom would have been, right here. It would have been about an 8-foot by 10-foot bedroom or 11-foot bedroom. But I took it out so that we could have a large living room. When you purchase the decor with the home, you get all the things. Here's bedroom number 2. And I also put ceiling fans in a lot of the rooms because we don't put air conditioning in these lot homes. We actually don't put air conditioning in any of our homes, but our furnaces are available to receive an A coil that you would provide. And the reason we do that is because we don't want to ship a heavy condenser inside our house. It would tear our house to pieces. Here's a nice big walk-in closet. Excuse the mess. I got furniture shoved in here, and also the packing materials for the home. All right, so a nice size 2nd bedroom. Bath number 2. tub shower combination in this bathroom. 3 bulb light strips, the old color, the brushed nickel. Hi everybody, great to see ya. Laminate backsplash, and this was called Praline Antico when it was available. Everybody loved it. All right, now the central part of the home, the part where everybody gathers at Thanksgiving, the kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package in gas, microwave over the range. Let me get a pan here. Dishwasher as well. Side by side with ice and water in the door and the refrigerator. Island with an electrical. And I gotta tell you, the dishwasher is not blue. I get so many people saying, oh my gosh, I love the dishwasher. I love the color, but it's a sticker. Who remembers the olive greens and the green bathtubs and all the cool colors of, I don't even know what era that was. 80s? 70s? Here's the dining area. Patio door. Utility, so we've got a side entrance utility room. And let's check out the furnace. I want to say that it's gas, and I am correct. This is a gas furnace, so the whole house is gas. Washer dryer cabinets. Here's your water heater. 9 light door in the back. And this was kind of the coolest, I'm going to say the coolest part of the house. It was this little nook here, which has a shelf so you can hang up some coats. It was just a neat little nook that was unique to this floor plan. I like it. And finally, here we go into the primary bedroom. Nice, big, spacious bedroom. And I'm going to open the closet. Please don't judge me. It is full of stuff. There's my secret stash of all the lamps and pillows and screens and pictures. It may be hard to tell, but this is a walk-through closet. So when all this stuff isn't in there, you would be able to walk through the closet. Ceiling fan in this room also. There's ceiling fans in every room here. Here's the primary bath. Nice feature here. We've got an extended vanity. And we also have a walk-in shower 2-seater complete with the doors. And then the commode is tucked away back here with an over the commode linen. Bath fan, 3 bulb light strip. So come on, folks, make an appointment. Come see me. We'll tour this home and the others that we have in the lot. This is the last available double wide, the last of the Mohicans here until we bring in 2025. Some exciting things happening next year. No more grids in the windows. And we're gonna see a lot of black features going on. So I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Give me a call. My name is Christina. Leave me an inquiry on my website and I'll personally call you and we can talk about your project. Thanks everybody. Have a great Turkey Day.